Welcome back. So today I'm pretty excited to introduce this new ISO tip, quick charge cordless soldering iron kit. This one's the model 7700. It features fully recharge in 3.5 to 4 hours, partially charge battery to full capacity in 1 to 2 hours, up to 125 soldering joints per charge during continuous usage, with stand high rate charging without damage. And they also offer extended warranty for model 7700 for additional fees. So yeah, be sure to check out the link. And I'd like to give a shout out to Sophia from their marketing team for sending me this. So yeah, let's go ahead and unbox it and show you guys the item. So they have standard tips, high efficiency tips. So they also have a different butane power iron. So this one is the 7700 model. So it is powered by a MACDADDY battery. Well, they come with the two extra tips right here. Right here's your charging cradle. And this is the user manual guide. There is a light source right here. Also, there are two prongs right here to charge the soldering iron. So you have one of the fine tip, and then the other one's a heavy duty tip. So let me loosen up those two screws and make a tight fit. Alright, so just make sure you unscrew those two screws all the way up, so you could insert this either a heavy duty tip or a standard fine tip all the way down. Because right now left hand side is has a tight fit. It is not moving now. Now going to tighten up this right hand screw. Okay, this knot right here allow you to rotate. If you rotate this way, press down. If the light is not coming on, that means the soldering iron is not working. There's a lock, or it says use. That means allow you to use it when the notch is pointed to this upward position right here. And now when you press it down, there's a light. And once the light is activated, the iron is going to get hot. You see the smoke coming out? Ooh. Let me go out there and test this. Alright, so I'm going to test on this board real quick. Put on use. Oh. I think I put the tip wrong, so I'm just going to hold it this way. See that? It's already melted. Oh! Probably got too hot. Yeah, it desolder or melt down the soldering pretty quick. Let's see if I can remove this wire. Sorry, melting. So yeah, it's a pretty good tool if you need to solder some wiring on your vehicle, so you don't need to have a long wire connected dangling here and there. Okay, anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop any other comments on below. And thank you for watching. See you guys on the next one. Always peace.